Hey, so you've bought tickets on EventPassHero, you know how the platform works, and now you're thinking maybe you should host your own event. A fundraiser, a reunion, a scholarship gala. Good news! Turning yourself into an organizer takes less than a minute. Let me show you. From your dashboard sidebar, you'll see this sell tickets option. That's your starting line. One click. This page lays out what comes with being an organizer on EventPassHero. 2-day Stripe payout, so you're not waiting on cash. Member accountability tools. See exactly who's pulling their weight on group sales. A check-in app ready for the door on event day. And marketing tools to fill those seats. When you're ready, hit Set Up My Organization. No long form. No credit card. We're flipping your account to organizer mode right now. Done. Just like that, your dashboard has everything you need. Your events list, your wallet, affiliates, marketing, member accountability. You're an organizer. Your next step is connecting Stripe, so you can collect ticket sales. You'll find that in the Wallet tab whenever you're ready. After that, you'll create your first event in 3 quick steps right from your dashboard. EventPassHero, built for organizations that move the community.